Hello friends and welcome back to excelAnyone learnings. In this tutorial, we are going to see different types of cell references used in Excel. There are two main types of referencing in the Excel. The one is relative referencing, the another is absolute referencing. Relative referencing is the default type of referencing which is used in Excel. So here is a data of grocery bill is given. The list of different items and unit price and quantity is given for that, and I'm going to calculate amount for each item. Okay, so to calculate the amount, we will type just equal to unit price for that particular item into quantity for that item, that is B3 into C3. Okay, after typing, just press enter. So it will calculate the amount for that item. For remaining items, you can just drag the formula. So I have calculated the amount for each item. So in this, I have used a reference of B3 and C3, correct? So similar thing is happened. So in D4, value of B4 and C4 is automatically taken. Similarly, for a D5, value of B5 and C5 has been automatically taken. So this is happened because of relative reference. Cell reference have changed automatically in this case. Okay, we can simply understand that when we enter a formula by referencing some value, then it actually sees the location of the cells relative to the location of formula which we have used. Okay, so if we see the location D3, we have given the reference of B3 and C3. So Excel is automatically, for next location of a formula, it is automatically taking the reference of previous one. So it automatically taking the B4 and C4. This is relative referencing. Sometimes we need to fix a cell. Okay, so for this I will go to sheet 2. Okay, here I want to calculate the amount with tax of 7.5% for each item. Okay, so this is previous amount which we have calculated by just formula. Okay, so I want now amount by multiplying these two columns plus this sale tax for each item. So for calculating the sales tax, I will just press equal to, now in bracket I will simply multiply these two terms, that is unit price into quantity. Okay, and now again I will multiply by 7.5 because I want to give a tax rate of 7.5%. So E1. I'll just press enter, and by this fill handle I will drag the formula. But here is the problem. Okay, by default it is taking relative reference. Okay, if I double click on it, it is taking E1. Then for next value it is taking E2. Automatically it is increasing the cell. For D5 it is taking E3. Okay, but I want to fix this 7.5%. Okay, so by entering a formula I will fix E1. For fixing we use a dollar sign. Okay, dollar sign we can apply before E or after E. That is mostly basically E1 is a cell address. Okay, that is column E and row 1. If I press a dollar sign besides column name, okay, so it is fixing the column E but not the first row. Row will automatically change but column will be fixed. If I press dollar sign besides 1, that is it is fixing first row but column will change. But for now I want to fix column and row both at the same time. So I will press dollar sign besides both column and row and press enter and drag the formula. So now what happening is, if you double click on each cell, you can see multiplied by E1. For this also multiplied by E1. For each cells, the 7.5 value has been fixed. Okay, so this is the absolute reference. Here I have used a formula, multiplication of these two terms plus cell stacks will be added automatically. Now I will show you how to take a reference from different sheet. Okay, so in this third sheet we have a final invoice in which the grocery amount has been not taken. So I want to take this amount from the previous sheet. Okay, so in bill with tax sheet I want to take this value as a grocery amount. So this is E13 cell. Okay, so in total bill I just press or type equals, in the single inverted commas I will type sheet name from where I want to take a value. So I will press bill with tax, this is the sheet name, complete the inverted comma. After that I will press exclamation mark and will give a cell address, that is E13. So I want to take E13 value as a grocery amount. Just press enter. So this is the value taken. Okay, in another way you can just type equals, go to that particular sheet from where you want to take the value, take that value and press enter. It will do the same. Okay, so these are the different type of references used in MS Excel. If you have any doubts regarding the relative references or absolute references, you can comment your queries in the comment section. Please like and subscribe for the more learning. Thank you so much.